Welcome to our video on how to save money on your wedding. Weddings are a beautiful celebration of love, but they can also be expensive. In this video, we will provide you with some tips and tricks on how to save money on your big day without sacrificing the quality of your wedding. Tip 1. Set a budget. The first step in saving money on your wedding is to set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend and allocate funds accordingly. This will help you avoid overspending and keep you on track throughout the planning process. Tip 2. Prioritize your expenses. Once you have set a budget, prioritize your expenses. Determine which aspects of your wedding are most important to you and allocate more funds towards those areas. For example, if you prioritize the food and drinks, you may want to allocate more funds towards the catering and bar services. Tip 3. Choose an off-peak season. Choosing an off-peak season for your wedding can save you a significant amount of money. Venues and vendors often offer discounts during their slower months, which can help you save money without sacrificing the quality of your wedding. Tip 4. DIY decorations. Creating your own decorations can save you a lot of money. Consider making your own centerpieces, bouquets, and other decorations. You can also enlist the help of friends and family to create a DIY photo booth or other fun wedding activities. Tip 5. Limit your guest lists. Limiting your guest list can help you save money on catering, venue, and other expenses. Consider inviting only close family and friends or having a smaller, more intimate wedding. By following these tips, you can save money on your wedding without sacrificing the quality of your big day. Stay tuned for our next segment on how to save money on wedding attire and accessories. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on your wedding. In this segment, we will provide you with some tips and tricks on how to save money on wedding attire and accessories. Tip 1. Rent or borrow wedding attire. Renting or borrowing wedding attire can save you a significant amount of money. Consider renting a wedding dress or tuxedo instead of purchasing one. You can also borrow accessories, such as jewelry or veils, from friends or family members. Tip 2. Shop off-season or on sale. Shopping for wedding attire and accessories off-season or on sale can save you a lot of money. Consider shopping for wedding dresses during the winter months when bridal shops are clearing out their inventory. You can also find great deals on accessories during Black Friday or Cyber Monday sales. Tip 3. Consider alternative options. Consider alternative options for wedding attire and accessories. For example, instead of a traditional wedding dress, consider wearing a white cocktail dress or a jumpsuit. You can also opt for non-traditional accessories such as a flower crown or a statement necklace. Tip 4. DIY hair and makeup. Doing your own hair and makeup can save you a lot of money. Consider practicing different hairstyles and makeup looks before your wedding day. You can also enlist the help of a friend or family member who is skilled in hair and makeup. Tip 5. Skip the wedding shoes. Wedding shoes can be expensive and are often hidden under your wedding dress. Consider wearing a pair of comfortable shoes that you already own or purchasing a pair of inexpensive shoes that you can wear again. By following these tips, you can save money on wedding attire and accessories without sacrificing your style. Stay tuned for our next segment on how to save money on wedding photography and videography. Welcome back to our video on how to save money on your wedding. In this segment, we will provide you with some tips and tricks on how to save money on wedding photography and videography. Tip 1. Hire a student or amateur photographer/videographer. Hiring a student or amateur photographer/videographer can save you a lot of money. They may not have as much experience as a professional, but they can still produce great quality photos and videos. You can also ask to see their portfolio to ensure that their style matches your vision. Tip 2. Limit the hours of coverage. Limiting the hours of coverage can save you money on photography and videography. Consider having them only cover the ceremony and reception instead of the entire day. You can also ask them to provide a shorter highlight reel instead of a full-length video. Tip 3. Skip the photo booth. Photo booths can be expensive and may not be used by all of your guests. Consider skipping the photo booth and having a designated area for guests to take photos with their own cameras or phones. Tip 4. DIY photo album. Creating your own photo album can save you money. Consider printing your own photos and creating a scrapbook-style album. You can also enlist the help of friends and family to create a DIY photo album. Tip 5. Negotiate with your photographer/videographer. Negotiating with your photographer/videographer can save you money. Ask if they offer any discounts or packages for smaller weddings or off-peak season weddings. You can also ask if they can provide a lower price if you only need digital copies of the photos or video. By following these tips, you can save money on wedding photography and videography without sacrificing the memories of your big day. We hope these tips have been helpful in planning your budget-friendly wedding. Congratulations and best wishes on your special day.